Good day, ma'am. I'm Maritas Garcia, 41 years old, married. I have one kid, 12 years old boy. And I was graduated in computer technician and my recent job was marketing service assistance. But I have an experience as a nanny for almost 5 years. My duty there is taking good care of their 1-year old son. I'm the one in charge to take care of their kids, especially in bathing, sleeping, eating, all the, all his needs. I'm the one in charge. And I'll do some household chores and I'll send and we play in the playground and teach him and I always make sure his safetyness. And if you hire me, ma'am, I can assure you that I will treat your son or kids as my own. I am very compassionate and very long patience, especially in kids. I know how to cook, cleaning house, laundry, all the household chores. I hope to see you soon, ma'am, and I'm so happy if you will hire me. Thank you and God bless.